Good morning. Welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this presentation, we are going to see how you should have applied our day trading strategy to gain success in day trading on Friday's market. Now we are going to see that as a continuous follower of our presentation and as a client, you know that in order to follow our simple day trading strategy, you need to follow a certain rules, which means that if the price is staying above this green line, you are going to take buy alone, and if it is going to stay below this red line, you can take sell alone. You are not going to buy and sell. If it is below the green line, you are not going to sell and buy if it is above the green line. So you can see this long dropped ash color candlestick that indicates Friday's price opening. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. As we had informed you earlier, and so many times we had told you that when the price is opening with a gap up or gap down, price opening, what you should do is that you should wait for the price to just touch this band, the first band. If the price is going to touch, this is going to be a entry point. The price will move and it will go and touch the band. By that time, it should show a red color if you are going to sell, if the price is staying below the green line. If it shows ash color, don't do anything. Now you can see you are going to wait for the price to touch this band. You can see now it is going to be your entry point, and you know that very well where you should place your stop loss. Stop loss is going to be 2 points above this the next band. So it shows a red color, so it provides you all the indication that you can go for selling. Now let us see that how much profit you would have gained. Okay, it had provided you some sufficient profit. Always modify your stop loss according to the next band. You can see the next band. So how you do earlier was just I will show you a demonstration. So you can see that earlier your stop loss will be somewhere here. Now you should slowly and steadily track this band. So all this band, so whenever the price is moving down, you are going to decrease your stop loss. Why we are doing this is that, as we had informed it and made it very clear, we are more focused on increasing your profits and more on managing the risk. So this is the best way to manage your risk by following this type of strategy. See that how your stop loss is decreasing by following this simple day trading strategy. We call this as a trailing stop loss. It can maximize your profit and minimize your risk. So I'm going to delete this. Hopefully I think that it would have provided this entry point had provided you a lot of options where you will re-enter into the market. So whenever the price is testing this first band, you can re-enter into the market. So this is the major reason why we continuously ask you to follow our presentations. So you can see this, the first entry had provided you a very good profit. Now we'll be waiting for the next signal. So you can see that the next point. So for a long time it's consolidating. We are not going to take this as a valuable signal. We know that it's below the green line, so we are only a sell only guy, which means that we will sell and buy. So we don't take any risk. Now we had made this strategy very clear. Whenever the price is testing this green line, just if it moves 5 point above this green line, you can take a buy and place your stop loss. Now let's see that no, it had not moved 5 points above the green line. We had identified a false entry. So here you have the next potential entry point. Why I am saying it, just below the lower band it had provided you a red signal, and below this green line you had provided you the next signal. So likely you can take this as a second call, and it provided you few points of profit. So we are not taking this buy signal. So now let us wait and see for the next signals. See, the price was trading above this green line, but it is not showing a blue color indication. So here we are not going to follow this +5 above this green line. We are not going to follow this +5 entry point rule, but here you will be following it the next signal. As we had told you, there are two types of strategy which we are following, but for this particular type, if it is not near this green line, you need to follow the same rule which we followed. Your entry point will be half the length and your stop loss will be previous candlestick low. Please don't forget this simple rule. So here you would have entered, and let us see that you're slowly increasing your stop loss. Here you would have got stopped out, so we are going to cancel this. So now let us see, here we got another entry point where you would have comfortably entered into this and it had provided you some good profit. The next entry point, you can see that you need to apply all these rules. So you can see the next entry point had provided you a very good profit. So these sell signals we are not going to take it, as we know that above the green line we are not going to enter into sell call. Now the price had approached the green line. What we do is that just 5 points below the green line, if it comes and it provides a red color signal, we will enter. Yes, you are into the trade here, where you will place your stop loss. Initially we had told you 5 points above this line. So now it had provided you a second option opportunity for trading. So the price came down a bit, so you can see that it provided you some profit. Now we'll be moving to the next trade. Yeah, it's still continuing the trend. A change in ash color does not indicate a change in reversal of trend. We had explained this earlier very clearly. So here in this particular case we need to do the same system which we followed earlier. Just 5 points above this we will be placing. If it is only near the green line, so we are into the trade here. So where you would have placed your stop loss, 5 points below this green line is a stop loss. So let's see, yes, it also made some good profit. Here if you see, the most great advantage of following this strategy is that whenever you make loss it's very small, but whenever you make profit it comes in a very big way. So that is the most important thing in trading. Whenever you make loss, make it small. Whenever you make profit, make it big. So that is a successful strategy. Here you can see that we are not getting any valuable signal till now. So what I will be doing is that we are waiting for a valuable signal. All the ash color indicates that it's the market is thinking a lot to give us a trend and price direction. So at last this is the end of the day. So the market closed here. So you can see that how many times we are entering into the trade, how many times we are successfully running in profit. What is the margin of the different margin difference between the trade where you went wrong and where you gained profit. So this is the best strategy for day trading, and we have two different types of platform to support two different types of day traders. We are working a lot on all this research work. What you need to do is that if you are our client, existing client, Goodwill Commodities trading client, you can contact us and we arrange for one-to-one individual training session. And if you are a follower, just you are watching our strategies in our YouTube channel or in our blog website and also official websites, just what you need to do is that open a trading account with us. All these revolutionary charting platform comes to you for free. You can view it and you can trade like a professional. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.